Hi guys, today me and my younger brother had decided to make a new group called Extreme Bro 10. Okay? But today my younger brother is not here. I think he went to his friend's house. So I just came back playing soccer with my friend Imran, Dashan and Derbo. But I call Imran Nirma and I call Dashan Gerai PK and Daryl and Jadi Maria. And they call me Masud Ozil, man. That's why my channel name Masud Ozil Amri. So in that video, in the Extreme Bro 10, we don't know what video we are going to make. But me and my younger brother always want to make like a dude perfect video. It's like all the trick shot. So that's all. And we know why we call 10 Extreme Bro 10 because there are going to be 10 people in our team. So I think so because we just decided and we didn't tell anybody yet about that. So thank you for watching and I hope you like it and please subscribe. Okay.